हाँ हो गया.
Ready? Students, as we know that in last class, root 5, root 7, root 3 are irrational number, and this type of number are rational number. So I like to explain one more. In the last class, we are trying to find out the square root of 5. Then we find that square root of 5 has no terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. 5 का स्क्वायर रूट कैसा था? नॉन टर्मिनेटिंग नॉन रिपीटिंग डेसिमल एक्सपेंशन. Similarly, if you will try, you can also see that, observe that root 7, root 13 also have non-terminating non-repeating decimal expansion. But in this case, this is terminating and this is non-terminating but recurring. This is terminating and these are also you can say terminating. These are rational number. So we are going to a next topic, that if you have a number root 5, now I want to make it, I want to change it, I want to convert it in a rational number. It is irrational, but I want to convert it into a rational number. We can convert it by multiplying, adding, subtracting, dividing, anything we can use here. So first problem is that how this will be a rational number. Either you can see that after being a rational number, this will look like 5. After being a rational number, this will look like 5. Yeah, any other this type number where no is root, right? Then we try to find to convert this in the form of a rational number. Right? So we multiply root 5 by root 5. Root 5 into root 5. Get 5. What we observe? We observe that when we multiply root 5 in this number, it becomes a 5. And this is a rational number. So I am saying that how can make it in a rational number? How can convert it in a rational number? For converting this into a rational number, we have to multiply here root 5. इसको रेशनल नंबर बनाने के लिए हमको रूट 5 का मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ा. सो दिस रूट 5 is called rationalizing factor of root 5. Root 5 is called rationalizing factor of root 5, right? So let us take another example and you will clear more. This was the first example, this was the second example, this is the second example. Now 3 minus root 2 is a irrational number. It is a irrational number. So now I want to rationalize this. How can it be rationalized? To rationalize it, we have to multiply it by 3 plus multiply 3 minus root 2 by 3 plus root 2. You will get here 3 minus root 2 into 3 plus root 2. This becomes 3 square minus root 2 square. This becomes 9 minus 2. This becomes 7. What we observe here? 3 minus root 2 should be multiplied by 3 plus root 2. This will be a minus b and a plus b. We have seen in the last class. This is 3 square minus root 2 square. 9 minus 2 becomes 7. We find that this 7 is a rational number free from root. How is it possible? By multiplying 3 plus root 2. So 3 plus root 2 is called 3 plus root 2 is called rationalizing factor of 3 minus root 2. Finished? In the start, जो मल्टीप्लाई करने से आपका इरेशनल नंबर रेशनल हो जाता है, दैट्स नंबर आर रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर. रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर also can be written as r dot f. रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर क्या मल्टीप्लाई करने से हुआ था? रूट 5. तो रूट 5 इज द रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ऑफ रूट 5. यहाँ क्या मल्टीप्लाई करना आपको? 3 प्लस रूट 5 रूट 2. तो 3 प्लस रूट 2 इज रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट rationalize rationalize 1 upon root 7. How it can be rationalized? Sorry, rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 7. What it mean? Rationalize the denominator of 1 upon root 7. क्या करना है हमको? रूट से डिनोमिनेटर को रेशनलाइज करना है. न्यूमरेटर से हमको कोई मतलब नहीं, न्यूमरेटर में कैसा आ रहा है. डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी ए रेशनल नंबर, बट व्हाट विल बी न्यूमरेटर? नो प्रॉब्लम. सो टेक हियर, सी हियर 1 upon root 7. We have already know that if we multiply root 7, this will be 7. So root 7 is a rationalizing factor. So multiply by numerator and numerator by root 7. 1 upon root 7 into root 7 into root 7. This becomes root 7 upon, as we know, this is 7. What we observe here? This denominator becomes a rational number, but numerator becomes a irrational number. What numerator becomes? We have no problem. We have only problem that change the denominator into rational. Denominator को rational बनाना था, बन गया. न्यूमरेटर क्या बना, ये हमसे नहीं कहा गया है न्यूमरेटर क्या बनना है क्या नहीं बनना है. राइट, क्वेश्चन का सिर्फ पर्पस ये है, डिनोमिनेटर आपका रेशनल बन गया. अब आपने किससे मल्टीप्लाई किया था? रूट 7 से. क्वेश्चन अराइज इन दैट व्हाट इज रूट 7? रूट 7 इज द रेशनल फैक्टर ऑफ रूट 7. टेक वन मोर एग्जांपल. Rationalizing factor of 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. Rationalize the denominator of root 7 minus root. Now 1 upon root 7 minus root 6. In the question number 2, we have observed that we have seen that when we are going to rationalize this, when we are going to find out the rationalizing factor of this, it contains two terms. If any number contains two terms, so always remember that to rationalize this, we should use the same number but change the sign. अगर टू टर्म है, इसी नंबर को आप यूज करिए, ओनली साइन चेंज करिए. लास्ट क्वेश्चन हमने देखा था, हमने क्या लिया था? 3 प्लस रूट 2 और चेंज होकर हमारा क्या आ गया था? 7. अब यहाँ क्या करना हमको? इसको रेशनलाइज करना है. कहाँ से रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर लाएं? नो प्रॉब्लम, बहुत ज़्यादा सोचना नहीं, बिल्कुल आपको सेम यूज करना है, बट माइनस के यहाँ क्या यूज कर देंगे? प्लस. तो So root 7 plus 6 will be rationalizing factor of this. So multiply numerator and denom by root 7 plus root 6. Root 7 minus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6 and root 7 plus root 6. So here one more question rather here. To how you multiply numerator and denominator both? But our question is to only make it as a rational, make the denominator as a rational, but we multiply numerator and denominator both because to take a balance. जब भी हम किसी एक्सप्रेशन में, किसी नंबर में कोई भी एडिशनल या सब्ट्रैक्शन या मल्टीप्लाई या डिवीज़न करते हैं तो न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में करेंगे, नहीं तो बैलेंस चेंज हो जाएगा, वैल्यू चेंज हो जाएगी। ऐड करेंगे तो दोनों में करेंगे, सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे दोनों में करेंगे, मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे दोनों में करेंगे। लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट हैंड साइड हो तो जो भी आप करेंगे वो दोनों, जो भी ऑपरेशन यूज़ करेंगे आप दोनों साइड यूज़ करना पड़ेगा। तो टेक ए बैलेंस, टू कीप ए बैलेंस or same number should not be changed here. You have to multiply numerator and denominator both, and this also should be confirmed with you. If here are minus, you can take plus. If here are plus, you can take minus. Right? Rationalizing factor is root 7 plus root 6. Now just when you multiply it, you get 1 into this is this upon this is a minus b, and a plus b gets a square minus b square. This becomes root 7 plus root 6 upon 7 minus 6. This becomes root 7 plus root 6 upon 1, or we can say root 7 plus root 6. What are there here? You can see that denominator has only 1. Is a rational number. In this way, the denominator in this question, the denominator was irrational, but we change it into rational number by multiplying numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor of the root 7 minus 6. This becomes a number with rationalized denominator. Its denominator is rational. What is denominator? No problem. ये हमसे ना पूछा गया है ना हमको बताना है, राइट? नाउ लेट अस टेक सम एग्जाम होमवर्क। होमवर्क क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, राइट factor of 7 minus 2 root 5 Question number 2. Rationalize the denominator of rationalize the denominator. Number 1, 2 upon root 3 minus root 2. Number 2, 5 upon root 13. Number 3, 1 upon root 6 minus root 5. Number 4, 1/3 minus 2 root 2. Okay, and once more we would like to say that होमवर्क कंप्लीट करिए, नोट्स बनाइए, ये आपका मेन है, इसको सीरियस लीजिए क्लास में, अब इसके आगे चलना है हमको, राइट। थैंक यू।